Look, if you're a builder, you know this feeling, that constant grinding pressure. Today, we're going to break down exactly where all that pressure is coming from. And, more importantly, we're going to look at the system that the top builders are using to finally get ahead of it.
And hey, that is not an exaggeration. Let's just be real for a minute about what it's like out there. The challenges are relentless, and it really all boils down to three core pressures squeezing you from every side.
First up, the labor crisis. That number you're looking at, 439,000, that's how many new workers the entire industry needs, this year alone, just to keep up. That's according to the Associated Builders and Contractors. This isn't just some headline. It's the reason finding a reliable crew feels like searching for a needle in a haystack.
Second, you've got costs that are just out of control. Material prices are so volatile that an estimate you write up on a Monday could be totally off, completely wrong by Friday. It's wrecking your margins before you even break ground. And to top it all off, the competition is insane, right? It feels like every single time you turn around, there's a new truck on your street, another company gunning for the exact same jobs. The squeeze is coming from every direction.
So, what are you supposed to do? You know, the old advice was always just hustle more, work harder. But here's the thing, you can't outwork a broken system. You're starting to realize that the rules of the game have completely changed.
And this really lays out the two paths. Over on the left, you've got the trapped business. Financially, everything is reactive, just dealing with cash as it comes and goes. Operationally, it's total chaos, processes made up on the fly. And the owner, they're stuck, just putting out fires day in and day out. But now look at the thriving business. They've got proactive financial forecasting, documented systems, and an owner who's free to actually focus on strategy. The big takeaway here isn't about effort, it's all about the system.
And that leads us to the core solution, a business operating system. You know, think of it like the operating system on your phone. It's not just one app, it's the underlying framework that makes everything else run smoothly and predictably. It's the shift from pure muscle to putting a strategic brain in your company.
Now that system is built on a really logical framework. You have to start with assess, because you can't build a solid house on a cracked foundation, right? You need a real, honest diagnostic of where you're at. Only then can you build the core systems that create profit. And scaling? That comes last. You can't just hit the accelerator until the engine is built right.
A huge piece of this is using practical AI to automate all that chaos. We're talking about things like using data to score your leads so you can prioritize the best jobs, or optimizing project schedules, automating financial reports. It's not about replacing your people, it's about giving them better tools so they can focus on what they do best.
Here's the bottom line. The best builders in the game today, the ones who are really winning, have realized you just can't win this new game by playing with the old rules. They've totally changed the playbook.
So if you feel like you're stuck just working harder and harder but not getting ahead, maybe it's time for a different playbook. If you're ready for a better system, just comment "system" below.